Creating actions that show and hide layers from multiple objects can become cumbersome if you have a lot of objects to show and hide. In this video, I'll show you a different approach to setting up your layers. This will make the task of hiding multiple items even easier. In short, if you make one layer that contains all your items, you can make one action that hides the entire layer. Then the second action will just show the object you define. I'll start by making one layer and naming that layer Slideshow. Next, I'll move all three of these grouped objects into that layer. Now I can make buttons that hide the entire layer and just show each object individually. I'll select the first button and make an action that tells the layer Slideshow to be hidden. This will hide the entire layer, which means that if any of the buttons are visible, they will all be hidden. Next, I'll make a second action of Frame using Frame Picker to pick the correct frame. I'll set the visibility to visible. For the other two buttons, I'll do the same. First, I'll create the action that hides the entire layer. Then I'll use Frame Picker to change the visibility of the correct frame. Now I'll align all the items so that they appear over one another. Now I can set the initial visibility in the Layers panel. I only want the first image to show on page load, so I'll hide the other two objects using the Layers panel. Now I can save the document and preview it. When I click each item, the whole layer is hidden, and just the frame I want to show is visible. This one trick should save you a lot of time when setting up buttons to view individual layers and hide all the other layers within one action. Thanks for watching.